how the idea and the concepts are flowing one after the other. And it definitely adds a lot of clarity. Basically, what I see that memorization is happening because of the clarity which I have.
Yes, Rajesh sir, you can start.
So this is regarding the Python programming, and it is how this programming, basic Python programming, how it is structured. So it says that there are two parts of it. One is the writing. It is in the form of the source files, and second is the mixing, and that means it is mixed in the form of the modules. It is mixed in the form of other types of files, which like it could be libraries kind of thing.
Okay.
So modules and libraries, and it is giving the example like it goes into the top level file, and then there are two different levels, other levels of files are there. So the example is like if a.py is the top level file, and b.py and c.py, they are also, these are all the text files, but they are in the form of the modules, and a is the top level file, and it invokes the B level file and C level files, which are in the form of the module. So what it means is that basically when we are writing the any program in the Python, first we write the text, and if there are any libraries which we have to draw, then we have to invoke it in the form of the B level and C level files. And it will, they are also basically, they are also the text files, but they have certain contents which we can bring it in the main module. That is the entire concept it talks about, sir.
Perfect, on dot. Superb, sir. Great job, great job. So what clarity you got, sir, after doing this? Because many people say, no, Python and computer science languages or certain concepts like these, you can't memorize. Is it possible by using memory techniques? So what do you have to tell them, and how is it feeling now after doing this?
So here what happens that when we do the flow chart, it leads to a kind of analysis, and we structure, because what is written in the book is one thing, but when we are structuring, we are dividing the concepts, and just we did some kind of chunking while doing the definition. So here we are dividing and then creating in the form of the flow chart. So we know that how the idea and the concepts are flowing one after the other, and it definitely adds a lot of clarity. Basically, what I see that memorization is happening because of the clarity which I am getting.
Fantastic, fantastic. Now compared to before, Rajesh sir shared that if at all you had to, assuming that you didn't know memory techniques, if at all you had to learn this, how much time would you take? And today, how much time did you take to memorize this so fast?
In normal circumstances, first of all, this concept, if we read without doing this activity, it is very boring subject. It becomes difficult to even grasp.
Okay.
But when we have this kind of tools in hand, it is easy to, one is that it develops the concentration, and it makes it very interesting because I am already doing some activities on this. And then when I am recalling the whole thing, it becomes quite easier because it leads to the visualization also. In fact, I did not use any picturization here, but I felt that if I use the picturization, it is easy because I forgot one like package. I forgot the library for the moment. So had I done more visualization, it would have been still easier for me to recall it faster and in fact deliver it in a far better way.
Fantastic. Brilliant. Brilliant. Good to know, sir. Good to know. So keep practicing and memorize more and more concepts like this.